Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about median and how to find median in discrete data and continuous data. The difference between discrete data and continuous data is that in discrete data, the values or the wages which are given, they are with the proper interval, but they are not forming any continuity. All those nearby 10 or 10 will be marked against the 10. All the frequency nearby 20 or 20 will be marked against 20. So here there is a breakage at a constant interval. So this type of data is known as discrete data, and this wages will be our X and number of workers will be our F. The formula for discrete data and continuous data is same, and the formula will be median equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F, it will come in bracket, into H. This bracket signifies that first you have to solve the bracket, then you will multiply it with H, and then you will add L1 following to the BODMAS rule. Now L1 will be the lower limit of median class. Here n is our summation F. N will be our summation F, and CF we have to find out. F will be the frequency of median class and H will be the class size. So here the class size will be the difference between them. So following to this question, let us write the values. Here next column will be of CF, means cumulative frequency. The first number will be 15 as it is. Then second will be here in this question you can see that the frequencies are given in increasing order. So this is not actually frequency, this is cumulative frequency. Whenever the frequencies are given in the increasing order and reaching up to the highest number, it is cumulative frequency. So you have been given cumulative frequency and we will find frequency now. So the first value will be as it is, that is 15. Second will be 35 minus 15, means 20. The third value of frequency will be 60 minus 35, that is 25, and likewise it will come 24, 12, 31, 71 and 52. So you have got the frequency. To cross check it, you can sum the frequency, it should come 250. Again I am telling you, if the frequency you find which is in the increasing order, then it is CF. अगर CF गिवन है तो हमें उसमें से फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालना है, जैसे अभी निकालना है, और अगर ये फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन होगी तो हम इनको ऐड करते जाएंगे और CF बनती जाएगी. 15 plus 20 35, 35 plus 25 60, 60 plus 24 84, likewise. I hope it is understood. Now we will see 250 is the maximum number. The sum of F is 250. It means the value of n is 250 here. So n equal to 250. We need n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 250 upon 2, that is 125. From CF we have to see where does this 125 lies. Okay, so this 125 lies between 96 and 127. So this will become our median class. I hope it is clear. ये जो n by 2 है 125, ये कहाँ लाई करेगा? तो ये लाई करेगा 96 और 127 के बीच में. तो 96 और 127 के बीच में अगर लाई करेगा तो ये हमारी हो जाएगी 127, क्योंकि 125 से बड़ा है, तो ये हमारी मीडियन क्लास हो जाएगी. इज़ दैट क्लियर? अब अगर ये मीडियन क्लास है तो इसमें जो L लेंगे हम लेंगे एक नंबर ऊपर वाला, CF हम लेंगे एक ऊपर वाला, ओके, F हम लेंगे 31, H है हमारा 10, and likewise I will put the values. So m equal to here L1 कितना होगा 50. Remember this is for discrete. Plus n by 2 it is 125 minus CF. CF will be 1 above, that is 96. F is 31 into 10. 10 means the difference between these. On solving we will get 50 plus 29 upon 31 into 10. Now 29 into 10 will be 290 divided by 31. So on further solving we will get 50 plus 9.35 equal to 59.35. So this 59.35 is our median. Now for this question we are taking continuous data. You can understand the difference between discrete and continuous. Here in continuous data you have got the class interval like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20. Here you can see that class size is not uniform. Here the difference is of 5, here of 10, here 10, then 20, 20 and 30. So it hardly matters for median. Whatever is our median class, we have to take the class size of that. So here हमें यहाँ दिख रहा है कि ये इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में नहीं है. It is not in increasing order. So this is clearly understood that it is frequency. We will make cumulative frequency out of it. 12, then 12 plus 15, 27, then 27 plus 50, 25, 52, 92, 134, 148, 156. Our formula remains same. Okay. Now here what we will see, our CF, last CF is 156, means n, or we can say summation f. It is how much? 156. Therefore n by 2 will be 156 upon 2, which will be 78. Now in CF we will find where does 78 lies. 78 lies between 52 and 92. Since it is lies between 52 and 92, this will become our median class. Okay. If this is median class, then this will be our F. This one will be our L1 or L, this 20. Lower limit of class interval of median class. Lower limit. CF will be 1 above. So this will be our CF. And just we have to put the values and we can get the answer. L1 will be 20 plus n by 2. It is already given to us 78. Okay, then minus 52 upon median frequency is 40 and the class size is 10. In order to cross check, we can see that median class is 20 to 30. So our answer should get in between 20 and 30. Here the values will be 26 by 40 into 10. So it can be 260 upon 40. So further, on further solving, we will get 20 plus 6.5. So its answer will be 26.5. So this 26.5 is our median by continuous data. I hope the things are clear to you. In case any doubt, do ask me. Thank you.